There is a very nice book called The Trusted Advisor. I don't know if you had a chance to look at it. There are 4 elements. Three are the numerator and one is the denominator. And you should take a look at this because it is very, very powerful to build trust with your customers, with your employees, whoever, all the stakeholders. So I'll break it down into 2 videos because otherwise it will become very long videos, and there's an Instagram ka zamana, so people don't want to watch longer videos. So the 4 elements are credibility, reliability, intimacy, the numerator, divided by self-orientation. So I'll talk about the first 2 in this video and then the other 2 in the next video. So many times I ask people, what is the difference between credibility and reliability? And maybe you can pause the video here and write it down. What do you think about it? And most of the time people use interchangeably, but actually there is a clear-cut distinction. So credibility is your skills, your certification, your degrees, your job knowledge, so which is basically showing that you know this domain. And reliability is, are you doing what you are saying you would do? Now many times, and I remember that these both are important for you to build trust. So you might have great degrees, but if you don't show up on time, so for example, I do training, and I might have, say, 15 certification, international certification, but I usually come in late for trainings. Would my customers have trust in me? No. I mean, it will start getting eroded if I do multiple times. Once in a while for an emergency, it's okay, but not as a regular practice. On the other hand, I'm very, very good in terms of coming on time for the training and being in the class, and I promise what I do for this participant. But I haven't read any book or I haven't done any certification in last say 2 years or 3 years. The customer might not have trust in me because he feels that he may not have enough to give value to the participant. So both are equally important. And I remember when I used to be in the line function in IT, we had a very nice resume which has got almost like 8 certification on Oracle technologies, and our clients were willing to pay a lot of premium for that particular profile. But as I was going through the resume, I saw that he had changed jobs almost every 4 to 6 months. So credibility was great, but reliability was a question. So we dropped that. So look at both, and not that people don't want to build their credibility. It's just that they don't pay attention that every year I have to be updated on my certification knowledge. And also, no matter what role I am playing, I should be demonstrating reliability. So these two go hand in hand. So make sure that if you are a leader, do this exercise for your entire team. How many are, what score at credibility and how many are at reliability. And have this conversation with your team. And as a team, if you can build trust with a stakeholder, it can be very powerful. And do share your ideas of credibility and reliability in the comments so that all of us can continue to learn. Thank you so much for watching.